Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about one of the most fundamental concepts in machine learning, simple linear regression. If you've ever wondered how companies predict salaries, house prices, or sales based on just one factor like years of experience, size of a house, or amount spent on ads, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the code, but also the intuition behind how a computer can learn a straight-line relationship between two variables. Step 1. Importing libraries. Let's start with the code. The first few lines are: import numpy as np, import matplotlib.py plot as plt, import pandas as pd. Here, NumPy helps us handle mathematical operations and arrays. Matplotlib is for data visualization, so we can plot graphs. And pandas is used to handle and process datasets easily. Think of these as the toolkits we need before building our model. Step 2. Importing the dataset. Here, we are loading a dataset called SalaryData.csv. This dataset contains two columns: years of experience and salary. Now, we split it into X, which is our independent variable or input, that is, years of experience; Y, which is our dependent variable or output, that is, salary. In simple words, if you give me the years of experience, I'll try to predict the salary. Step 3. Splitting dataset into training and test. This is a very important step in machine learning. We don't train our model on the full dataset. Instead, we split it into training set, which is 80% of the data used to teach the model; test set, which is 20% of the data used to check how well the model performs. The random state is equal to 0 ensures we get the same split every time we run the code. Think of it like studying for an exam. You study from 80% of your syllabus, which is training, and the teacher tests you with the remaining 20%, which is testing. Step 4. Training the simple linear regression model. Here's the magic part. We're importing linear regression from sklearn, creating a regressor object, and fitting it with our training data. What's happening inside? The algorithm tries to draw the best possible straight line through the training data points. This line minimizes the difference between actual salaries and predicted salaries. This method is called ordinary least squares, basically minimizing the errors. Step 5. Making predictions. Once trained, the model can make predictions. So here, for our test set, it predicts salaries based on years of experience. Now we can compare these predictions with the actual salaries to check how good our model is. Now let's move on to our result part. Step 6. Visualizing training set results. Here we are plotting the training set results. The green dots are the actual data points, which is years of experience and salary. The blue line is the regression line our model has learned. This line is basically our machine's understanding of how experience relates to salary. Now, let's move on to plot the test set. When we plot the test set, the green dots again represent actual salaries from test data. The blue line is the same regression line from training. If the dots are close to the line, it means our model is making good predictions. And in this case, you'll see that the predictions are pretty accurate. So, to quickly recap, we imported libraries, loaded and split the dataset, trained a linear regression model, made predictions, visualized results with training and test sets. This is the foundation of machine learning, finding relationships between data. Simple linear regression might look basic, but it's used everywhere, from predicting salaries, estimating housing prices, to even forecasting business growth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss upcoming tutorials on more advanced algorithms like multiple regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.